Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio? Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. First of all, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Account and switch to Business Account. It's free and takes seconds. Enter your business category like beauty. Now go back to your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile. You will see a links option, then tap it and paste your link like website, Instagram, YouTube. And that's it. Your clickable link in now in your bio for everyone to see. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.